Hello, friends. Um, I don't think this is going to be a very long post, but I wanted to show you what's about to happen. 35 crystals. Okay. 620. Let's go unlock the battle pass. Brr, brr, brr. We're going to do 600 crystals. It's going to be amaze balls. Use crystals. Look. Epic skin. Epic announcer. Frame. Bam! I think I'll keep the one I've got. Let's go next. First made announcer. I don't know. I'll check that one out. So we've reached 23, and this is all the stuff we get. We get money, XP boosts, chests, or these are skin unlocks temporarily for the game. That's cool. There's a skin. What else? Oh, that's the announcer. Here's another chest. Here's a spray. Here's another spray. Chest. Boosts, sprays, gold crystals, chest. And then, so I'm just going to, I don't want to equip it all. I'm at 23, so my next one will be 24. More gold. That's cool. Um, so let's go. Okay, let's go to loadout. Let's look at this frame. So this is the deep sea frame. Again, I mentioned before, I like the street frame. A lot of people don't have that. And, in a game like this, being unique is very important. Avatars. Did we get any new avatar? Oh, we did get the bubbly. Oh, we still like our best boy, so let's keep. Any new mounts? No new mounts. It's fine. Well, let's put on snow. Announcer. Let's hear it. Pentakill. I don't know which I like better. Okay, we're going with that one for sure. Spray. Let's change sprays. Captain Io. No, I don't really want. And I keep going back the wrong way. First mate Luna. That's super cute. Let's put that for now. Um, what else do we have? Omega Crusher. Pirate's Treasure. Sprays, tags. There. Oh, let's go with Pirate's Treasure. Oh, and it explodes. Death stamp. Any new death stamps? We do have Dead Man's Chest. Let's do it. And music. Music. So we should also be able to see under champions who got new skins. Ruckus. Skins. And the new one, Oceans 8. Oh, dang. Okay, I don't actually have that one. I have something else. Pirate's Treasure, I think, is what I have. Yeah. Do you know what? I really do like the RoboForce, so we're going to keep that one. What else did we get? Should have gotten, down here, Io. I don't like her skins currently. I don't know if I pirate, but it's different, right? I don't have. Let's go with this. That might be the only skin I got so far. I do want the one for Ying. She's right here, and her skin will be somewhere in here. Mermaid. It's neat. She floats anyway, but I like it. I'm gonna eventually get that. That's level 50, the metal chest. Um, so let's see. Just real quick check. My quests are. I don't know that I'm gonna actually do. I have the gold reserve from yesterday, and 6 games, 25 kills, totally easy. I just don't have time. But I did want to get in and the battle chest and show what I've got. So we have 35 days, 3 hours, 22 minutes left on this. I'm at plus 60% XP for all gold. You know what? I'm going to play a couple of games. And I think I still need Drogos. In fact, yes, I have to get a top play. I am so bad at Drogos. I can't even begin to tell you how bad I am. Fire Spit, I've gotten, I guess, almost half. There's probably maybe 100,000? It can't be. I don't know. Math is terrible for me. And a triple kill. I did somehow I got the 5,000 damage within 10 seconds on Ying, actually, I think, because I like blowing people up with that. I've played enough matches at Drogos and clearly did not get any of these. But I did emote, and you had to do it like 12 times after getting a killing blow. So I was just emoting whenever anything died. Yeah, because that's you just got to do it. You just got to do it. So we'll go to training. We'll go to deathmatch. Probably wait a couple seconds to get Drogos. I don't have any pirate theme skin for him, but I am using what is it called. We're gonna find out in a second. Is what we're gonna do. So frontline lock in Drogos. It's called Abyssal Lord. Yeah, that's I did buy his voice pack as well. It was only like 50,000 gold, and you saw I've got a lot of gold. So that was a no-brainer pick for me. Crossing fingers, I managed to actually this. So just gonna wait till this loads. Wow, like I'm the only one that has loaded. And I wonder if it's something to do with on my client side. And I do know, I mean, if you sit here long enough and people just are not loading, they actually DC or whatever. Um, the game will substitute you for a bot, and if you get lost in the middle, it'll put a bot in there. I think actually Heroes of the Storm. I think Heroes of the Storm is a little efficient. Now I'm wondering, maybe I'm just thinking of Heroes of the Storm. Okay, Victor loaded in. I don't think Maeve has because I think that inner or that center, let's call it a ruby. I think that's supposed to light up. And I actually didn't get that Shogunate uh, frame because I wasn't part of that event. For a while there, I mean, because again, because the game was free, I got it and I didn't play it a lot. And then sometimes I play it, and it's just until, well, I guess maybe the past 6 or 7 months, I'm going to say that I really started like trying. Like the last event, I really tried. It was like the first event that well, I should say battle pass, not event. The last battle pass I tried really hard, and it was a summer theme, so it was kind of cute. And I was just really into getting in and stuff with it. Other themes, there was a whole deck of battle one that I didn't care at all about, so I didn't do it, and I kind of regret it a little bit. I probably should have. What are you gonna do? 4, 3, 2, 1. And I didn't show you this the other day. This dude, I fly. And I got hurt a lot. I'm still really bad at this, apparently. I can't. I mean, I am really bad at this. Oh, at least I can heal up a little. Oh, can I? Oh, hey, hi. Hi, ladies. What? Run away. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I gotta remember, he's kind of like Farah, but not the same. She is a monster. What the hell? Let's do this. I got a double kill. I just need a didn't get a triple kill. I wanted that triple kill. Enemy triple kill. Fuck you. They don't even respect me. Hey guys. Oh hey. Okay, watch this. This is fun. I was thinking at first, I don't know if I'm actually going to use it. And it seems to go until I hit something. Whoa, did I get both of? Oh no, and no. I turned around and he was there, and I was not prepared. Let's go with reload speed. So I fly like Farah. I can't. I'm supposed to be able to shoot that thing and explode it, and it's awesome. And I need to get damage with that stupid thing. I'm just that bad. Ugh, bad. I'm so bad. No, I don't. And he killed me. It's like they don't even care about my feelings. Wow, I am just really, really bad at this. Well, I hit him that one time. Thought it was supposed to do tick damage. I didn't hit him. Maybe I'm just utterly delusional. Did I ever consider that? Damn! You know what? This should be easier than Overwatch, and it's just not proving to be. All right, not easier, but easier. No. No, let's get away from him. He's bad, and he likes me. Don't we all just want to be loved? This is gonna, so the last, I think it was the last battle pass, we had to, son of a gun. We needed to, like, Fernando is that guy that I'm basing off a lot with the shield. And I had to do like get a bunch of fireballs for him, get a bunch of shields for him, and it was so awful. Like it was just really awful. But I did it. The important thing is I did it. Oh, he just died. I gotta fight a bad guy. Apparently there is a limit. I wasn't too sure. And my flying skills are pretty bad. I am pretty bad at this. See, unlike with Farah, I don't know, it seemed to just make my life a whole lot easier. Oh, the other day, I mean, I was like, "Oh, maybe I should be recording this." I was ridiculously, ridiculously bad. Um, I was apparently shooting the wall and did not realize I was shooting the wall. This is how I get myself killed. I am so bad at this. Let's go up here. Okay. The pain has lessened. I don't know. And look, that's even the bad guy. Fascinate. When they have the names like that instead of, Yo Mama 26, they're the bad guys. And see, these the blues, and I could tell because Fernando was on their side. See how bad they are, and they still do better than us. But we won. And that's the important part. Goodness. Hopefully, I took a couple of slices off of what I had to do. Oh, battle pass! Sweet! Chests and crystals. Damn. Yeah, so I got a couple thousand with the fire spit. Ugh. I haven't gotten a trip 4 times and I haven't gotten any. Oh my god. Scoreboard. 34,000. Not the worst. I was, was a little better than Lex. Lex can usually pull out a lot of damage. Too bad. Where are my quests? Oh, hard carry. I got 7 kills. Oh, that's so bad. Oh my god, so bad. One more game. And then I'll leave it for the night. Oof. I don't know how anyone can be this bad and this cool at the same time. Somehow I managed to pull it off. Yeah. It's going Drogos again. We need to get it. Log in. I mean, everyone at some point, if you're gonna do the challenges like I am, is gonna need to access Drogo. So hopefully, some people have already got theirs done. I'm a little late to the game because I didn't buy the battle pass, of course. Oh, let's. Oh, I don't have to boost cancel. Gotta be quick though. When everyone picks, you gotta be quick. Okay, so shit. Spellbinder, Charisma, and Vanguard. Those are all bots on our side. And yes, they've spelled Vanguard wrong, but it's totally fine. Oh, I think it's no Chronos. See, mine is so much cooler. go get that guy. Oh, I thought I hit my. Oh, I did. Oh, that didn't do any good. I need to kill things if I'm gonna. I actually didn't have a terrible time last time, Drogos. Like on normal day. I think it hit the wall and then it explodes. I mean, these are things I need to know. I'm not very good at this guy. That didn't work at all, so that sucks. Are you guys not gonna kill her? Hey, thanks. And then I think I can do this, and it didn't explode. I think I'm supposed to be able to explode that. He got some lift on that. I gotta remember that. Ah, boom! Oh, I didn't get it. Let's go find someone to punch. Guess they're over here? Maybe? Let's find someone to punch! Go for her. That's one way you can tell they're a bot. They just stop caring. Oh, look, my chest. Said it. Oh my god, talk about wasting. So that's like a fuselage, and it shoots all of your bullets. Okay, rockets at once. But if you only, oh, I'm an idiot. If you only have 3 left, it's only going to shoot 3. But I got a few with that one. Like a grounded Farah. And since I can't apparently aim, I think I got a few with that one. Oh shit. Just gonna wait right here for her. Get away. I am apparently not paying enough attention to my surroundings. I don't have to do this in first person, by the way. I just do. I think I've gotten used to it. Shit. I'm gonna be playing Drogos for a long time, folks, because I am just having issues. Let's get him. Let's get him. That worked out. And that would have been nice if that had actually worked. Got her. Got it. Got her-ish? No. Nope. I'm just kind of shooting at fucking anything right now. Oh, thank God that's over. Oh, my stars. Let's see. That's not me. Was that Archon, though? I think so. Yeah, he was our dude. That's just great. The bot again got it. At least he was on our side. Ow, ow. That happened. Let's see how we did. Level up. We're gonna be playing Dragos for a long time. At this point, I'm just looking that I didn't do the worst, but I did the worst among the damage. I beat the tank. Right, so that's where I'm gonna call it Paladins. Then, wow. Tune back in for more fun Dragos.